Hi, it's me again, Antonietta, and I'm gonna show you the recipe that Maya is suggesting. It is called Crinkle cookies. It's new for me, but we're gonna try it together and see how it comes. So we need 2 cups of flour, 1 cup butter, cup of chocolate chips, 2 eggs, 2 cups of brown sugar, icing sugar to top them off at the end, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 cup of cocoa. We're gonna start blending brown sugar and butter. We're gonna blend it together. You blend it until fluffy, okay? Add more butter if needed. Anyway, we're warming up the oven at 350 degrees, so it's nice and see like this, and makes it a nice smooth paste. The sugar and butter are smooth. We add the eggs, and then we add the vanilla extract. Good. After you blend the eggs and the vanilla extract, we're gonna add the cocoa, add the baking soda, salt, then add flour, a little bit at a time, so it incorporates well. So now we put in the chocolate chips and continue blending. You take with a spoon, you take a little bit of mixture with chocolate, dip it like that, and layer on the table on the parchment paper. We try to make all the same size if we can, otherwise it doesn't matter if one is big and one is smaller. The tray is ready, and we're gonna put it in the oven for 9 to 10 minutes. Okay, we have 2 trays of cookies, but this one we made it a little bit bigger, so because we're tired. We're gonna wait for the other one to come out of the oven so we can put this one in. I'm taking them out of the oven, and they look like this, but they have to pull off, otherwise they break. I'm gonna put some sugar on the sifter, and they go like this on top of them. The cookies, they're cooled off, and we're gonna try them. Wow, look at this. Nice and yummy. They taste so good. But you bake them yourself, so you can try them. I cannot give you any to the video, I'm sorry. We made the chocolate cookies, the crumble cookies. We made also the orange cookies. You can click on the orange cookies. With the orange cookie, you can use your imagination to do any shape you like. And I hope you tried my cookies, orange cookies before, and you enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed the chocolate cookies. I hope you enjoy the orange cookies again if you make them. And Merry Christmas, since it's Christmas time. Merry Christmas. And if you like the video. Okay? Thank you and goodbye.